Hey guys, it's Azzy. So today I'm thinking about dye hair again. Currently, I pretty like it, but since my roots grew up so much, it looks a little bit ugly to me. Or not terrible, but you know. And around here, it's completely black, like my natural hair already, so you see? So like basically I'm gonna bleach. It's pretty much like highlighting, you know, and then I'm gonna put the color in. I'm thinking about like burgundy, wine red kind of color. I got the hair dye from Japan. I'm gonna show it to you guys later. I think it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be okay, I hope. Let's bleach my hair first. I'm gonna mix the powder bleach and developer right now. The ratio should be 1 and 1, so like 50-50.
Always talking about what he wants to just live on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want any of your time, and no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride.
So basically how I did was I put bleach on my brush and move backwards from like the end of the hair to the roots. Basically you move like that. I saw people doing that way on YouTube video and I tried that way. Hopefully it could make a good fading gradient effect. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait from 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna show you guys the hair dye I'm gonna use right now too. This is that. I got it in Don Quixote in Japan. This is regular hair dye. Like it's pretty much the same thing that you can buy in Canada, United States, Europe, like everywhere in drugstore. But it doesn't have a bleach. It's just a coloring, like toner. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. So I just washed off the bleach. Now I'm going into toner because I feel like I can do it tonight. It's 12:15 at night, of course. It looks like this. I know it looks ugly because it's really like brassy and really yellow and orange and all that stuff. Well, that's why I'm gonna tone it right now. I'm gonna apply the toner, then I'm gonna wash it off again and I'm gonna dry it and I'm going to sleep. So I think I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow to show you how it turned out.
Kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride.
Hey guys, this is 2 days after I dyed my hair. It's looking like this. The video, it looks kind of like more warm tone than it actually looks. It's grayish purple down there. And around the roots, it's like wine red. I didn't expect that. Like I expected more the reddish kind of shade, but it turned out it's really like straight up purple. But I like it. Yeah, it's not bad. I pretty like it. And it's also an interesting combo of wine red around here and lavender down there. So yeah, I pretty like it. So I'm gonna just wrap up this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, I'm gonna see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys.